I'm really getting lucky with nature today. Rooney and I went in the house. We sat back down outside again, and now I'm capturing Bambi. I got a little deer out here. Right across the road. Isn't it so precious? It's a little blurry. Rooney, stay still. My dog stood up and the deer perked up. She's like, what is that? It's a deer, Roan. She's watching my dog. Sorry, Rooney's pulling my hand and I have her on a leash. But I wanted to capture some beautiful nature for you all. This is so precious. I love it. I had to zoom in through my tree. See if I can. And it's just a deer. She's like, well, Mommy, I want to play. I wish I could get a better view. In case he or she keeps moving. Trying to capture it. It doesn't see me yet. He can hear me though. I just hate when they're so close to the road because I'm always afraid they're going to get hit. I had to make a noise, look. Sorry, guys. Rooney, get this thing. Come here. Come here. She's trying to scare it away. Come. I wonder if that's the mom of the baby deer. No, she's gone. There was another capture. Look at my dog. She's down here like, oh my God. I want to nib at that deer. I want to bite it. Roan, you're something else. So that's another share for the day. I hope you enjoyed the nature show. See you soon.